Welcome to Agribot Farming AI, where we explore the cutting edge of agricultural technology transforming our world today and forever. Today we witness a clash of titans, comparing the legendary precision of German engineering against the rising Chinese dominance in farming. Germany has long been the undisputed king of industrial machinery, setting global standards for precision, durability, and engineering excellence worldwide. However, a new challenger has emerged from the east, moving at a speed that has left traditional competitors far behind. China is rapidly rewriting the rules of agriculture, integrating artificial intelligence and big data into every single step of farming. While traditional methods rely on manual oversight, the new wave of farming relies entirely on algorithms and real-time data. These autonomous machines demonstrate the sheer power of modern engineering, surpassing all previous expectations set by traditional farming methods globally. Guided by the advanced Beidou satellite navigation system, these machines operate with an accuracy that human drivers could never achieve. The preparation of the soil is the foundation of a good harvest, and technology ensures perfect conditions for every seed. Scale is the name of the game here, as fleets of machines work tirelessly day and night without needing rest. Efficiency is calculated in seconds and cents, proving that automation is not just cool, but economically superior in every way. Darkness does not stop progress, as these robotic systems are equipped with sensors that allow them to see in total darkness. Every square inch of the field is analyzed by lasers and sensors to determine the exact requirements for optimal plant growth. This data is instantly transmitted to the cloud, where powerful algorithms make decisions faster than any human farmer ever could. Now begins the planting phase, where precision seeders ensure that every single grain is placed at the exact optimal depth. Uniformity is key to a maximum yield, and these machines guarantee that no seed is wasted or planted incorrectly. Watching these machines in action is like watching a symphony of steel and software conducting the future of our food. Traditional farmers are now facing a reality where their decades of experience are being outperformed by lines of computer code. The results speak for themselves as we see acres of lush green crops rising from the earth in perfect uniformity. As the crops grow, the aerial guardians awaken. Swarms of drones take to the skies to protect the fields below. These are not toys, but sophisticated industrial tools capable of carrying heavy payloads of nutrients and protection for the plants. The atomized mist ensures complete coverage while using significantly less water and chemicals than traditional ground-based spraying methods. Intelligent flight paths are calculated to avoid obstacles and ensure that not a single patch of the field is missed. By taking to the air, we avoid compacting the soil with heavy machinery, preserving the delicate structure of the earth. Multispectral cameras act as the eyes of the farmer, spotting diseases and nutrient deficiencies long before the human eye can. This rapid detection allows for targeted intervention, treating only the sick plants rather than spraying the entire field unnecessarily. Precision agriculture means applying the right treatment, at the right time, in the exact right place for maximum effect. While drones rule the skies, small agile robots patrol the ground, navigating between rows to inspect the crops up close. These ground scouts collect physical samples and provide a detailed analysis of the soil health at the root level. Water management is critical, and AI systems ensure that every drop is used efficiently to combat drought and waste. Under the watchful eye of artificial intelligence, the crops flourish, reaching maturity faster and healthier than ever before seen. We now travel to the vast cotton fields, where the scale of operations is truly mind-bending and breathtakingly massive. Here comes the harvester, a mechanical beast capable of doing the work of thousands of laborers in a single day. The machine not only picks the cotton but processes and packages it into neat round bales ready for immediate transport. It leaves behind a trail of golden eggs, a testament to the efficiency and speed of modern agricultural mechanization. Gone are the days of back-breaking manual labor, replaced by the tireless hum of engines and the precision of software. But it is not just field crops. Delicate fruits are now being harvested by robots with a gentle and precise touch. Soft grippers mimic the human hand, ensuring that even the most delicate fruits are harvested without a single bruise. Computer vision analyzes the color and size of the fruit instantly, deciding whether it is ready to be picked. The speed is relentless, with robots working tirelessly through the harvest season to ensure fresh produce reaches the market. Logistics are fully automated, with self-driving carts transporting the harvest from the orchard to the sorting facility. Inside the processing center, high-speed cameras inspect every single fruit, sorting them by size and quality instantly. The supply chain is optimized to the second, ensuring that fresh food travels from farm to table in record time. We now enter the world of controlled environment agriculture, where seasons no longer dictate when we can grow food. Vertical farming maximizes space, allowing us to grow upwards rather than outwards, saving land and water resources effectively. Smart lighting systems adjust the spectrum to provide exactly what the plants need for photosynthesis at different growth stages. Even pollination is being automated, with tiny robots ensuring that fruit-bearing plants reproduce successfully in indoor environments. The climate is controlled with absolute precision, creating a perfect paradise for plants to thrive without external stress. Harvesting in these vertical farms is a continuous process, providing fresh vegetables to urban centers all year round. At the heart of this revolution is the big data center, the brain that connects and controls all these operations.
Rerouting
Millions of
satellite
data
7
points
for
are
closer
processed every
analysis now.
second, allowing for predictive analytics that optimize yields and reduce waste. The artificial intelligence learns from every harvest, constantly improving its strategies to become more efficient with each season. Farming is no longer just about hard labor, it is about managing intelligent systems from the palm of your hand. This technology is transforming rural areas, bringing infrastructure, connectivity, and prosperity to regions that were once left behind. Sustainability is a core focus, with smart farms utilizing renewable energy to power their autonomous fleets and systems. Water recycling systems ensure that agriculture minimizes its impact on the environment, preserving resources for future generations. Livestock farming is also evolving, with smart wearables monitoring the health and well-being of every single animal. Automated milking systems allow cows to be milked whenever they choose, reducing stress and increasing milk production. Hygiene robots patrol the barns, keeping the environment clean and reducing the risk of disease spreading among the herd. Automated feeding systems deliver the perfect nutritional mix to each group of animals, optimizing their growth and health. Facial recognition for pigs may sound like science fiction, but it is a reality that helps track individual growth. The data shows a massive increase in productivity and quality, proving that smart farming is the future of food. Aquaculture also benefits from automation, with smart feeders and underwater cameras monitoring fish health in the open ocean. Underwater sensors monitor water quality in real time, ensuring optimal conditions for the fish to grow healthy and strong. Robotic submersibles inspect the nets and infrastructure, performing maintenance tasks that are dangerous for human divers. Harvesting is done with advanced vacuum systems that reduce stress on the fish and improve the quality of the meat. From the soil to the sea, China has built a comprehensive ecosystem of agricultural technology that is unrivaled globally. Even the experts from Germany are forced to admit that the pace of innovation here is simply breathtaking. A new generation of farmers is being trained not just in biology, but in robotics, coding, and data science. Confidence is high as these farmers know they are at the forefront of a revolution that will feed the world. As the sun sets, the work continues, driven by a relentless pursuit of efficiency and food security for all. Feeding a growing global population is the ultimate challenge, and technology provides the only viable solution for our future. If you are enjoying this deep dive into smart farming, make sure to subscribe to Agribot Farming AI right now. Let us now take a deeper look at the machines themselves. Starting with the backbone of the farm, the tractor. Unlike their diesel-guzzling ancestors, many of these new machines are fully electric, reducing carbon emissions to zero. Autonomous charging stations allow these machines to top up their batteries without human intervention, keeping them running indefinitely. The operational costs plummet when switching to electric, making farming more profitable and sustainable in the long run. Rubber tracks distribute the weight evenly, preventing soil compaction which can strangle plant roots and reduce crop yields. Advanced suspension systems keep the sensors and tools stable, ensuring precision even on the roughest terrain surfaces. 5G connectivity is the nervous system, allowing for instant communication between the machines and the central control brain. Real-time obstacle avoidance ensures that the machine protects itself from damage, reducing maintenance costs and downtime. Swarm intelligence allows multiple tractors to coordinate their movements, covering vast areas in a fraction of the time. While German engineering is superb, the fragmented nature of European farms limits the potential for such massive-scale automation. China has actively consolidated land to create super farms specifically designed to maximize the potential of autonomous machinery. Even the turns are optimized to minimize wasted time and fuel, calculating the most efficient path for every maneuver. Modular implements allow a single tractor to perform multiple tasks, from plowing to seeding to spraying, with ease. Deep tillage breaks up the hard soil, allowing air and water to penetrate deep down to where the roots grow. Laser leveling ensures the field is perfectly flat, which is crucial for efficient irrigation and uniform crop growth. Uniform water distribution prevents waterlogging in some areas and dryness in others, saving water and boosting health. Weatherproof designs mean that farming operations do not have to stop just because of a little rain. Leaving the ground behind, we return to the sky to examine the drone technology that has revolutionized crop care. Carbon fiber construction makes these drones incredibly light yet strong enough to carry heavy tanks of liquid. Quick swap tanks and batteries allow for continuous operation, minimizing the time spent on the ground refilling. The downdraft from the propellers pushes the spray deep into the crop canopy, coating even the undersides of leaves. Drones are also used for seeding, especially in difficult terrains like wetlands or hills where tractors cannot reach. In aquaculture, drones can rapidly dispense feed over large ponds, ensuring even distribution for all the fish. The coordination of these swarms is a marvel of software engineering, preventing collisions while maximizing coverage area. Wireless charging pads scattered across the farm allow drones to land and recharge autonomously whenever they need power. Beyond farming, these drones serve as security guards, using thermal cameras to protect the farm from intruders or pests. Replacing manual spraying protects human health by removing workers from exposure to potentially harmful agricultural chemicals. Voice control and intuitive interfaces make these advanced tools accessible even to farmers with limited technical training. Mountainous regions, once difficult to farm, are now easily accessible thanks to the agility of aerial technology. Advanced radar systems can detect thin wires and power lines,
but the drone
preventing
offers a much
accidents in
faster
complex
and safer
rural
solution for
environments.
crop spraying.
Modular design
Return
ensures
home.
that if a part
Start
breaks,
Sector 4.
it can be swapped out in minutes, keeping the fleet airborne. As the season turns, we approach the most critical time of the year, the harvest of the golden grain. The autonomous combine harvester is a factory on wheels, cutting, threshing, and cleaning the grain in one go. Precision sensors adjust the height of the cutter bar in real time to capture every grain without taking in dirt. Onboard sensors analyze the moisture content of the grain instantly, ensuring it is harvested at peak quality. Synchronization is perfect as the harvester unloads into a truck while both vehicles are still moving at full speed. This continuous relay system means the harvester never has to stop, maximizing the amount of crop brought in. During the harvest window, time is money, and these machines allow for 24-hour operations to beat the weather. The residue is chopped and returned to the soil, recycling nutrients and preparing the land for the next cycle. From above, the path of the harvester looks like a printed circuit board, a symbol of the digitization of nature. Once harvested, the grain enters automated silos where temperature and humidity are managed to prevent spoilage. Robots patrol the grain mountains, sniffing out potential issues like mold or pests before they can cause damage. Root vegetables require a different approach, with machines gently sifting the soil to extract the treasure beneath. Top lifters grab the greens and pull the carrots vertically, preventing damage to the vegetable itself. Bad vegetables are sorted out right on the field, ensuring that only premium produce makes it to the truck. Cleaning and processing happen almost immediately, preserving freshness and extending the shelf life of the produce. Automated packaging seals in the freshness, readying the product for supermarkets within hours of being in the ground. Thank you for joining us on this journey. The future of farming is here, and it is brighter than ever.